In order to evaluate expressions, we need to start by defining an expression. For that, we're going to need two definitions. A variable, this is any number from a given set. It can be random or unknown. And we tend to denote it by letters such as X, Y, T, or A. A constant is then any fixed value, numbers such as 3 or the square root of 2, or symbols that represent constant numbers such as pi. Now that we have variables and constants, we can define expressions. And these are going to be any combination of constants, variables, and our operations. So examples, 1 minus 3t. We're combining multiplication and subtraction, as well as both constants and variables. We could have something like 3x minus 2y divided by 7. We could have something like 2t plus 3s minus 4. The idea is any kind of combination of these constants, variables, and operations. And we want to look at evaluating these. So we want to evaluate them at particular points. We're going to substitute values for the variables in order to evaluate these. Let's suppose we want to evaluate 1 minus 3t when t is equal to 2. Well, I have a 1 minus 3, and I know that t is equal to 2, so I'm going to change this t to a 2. 3 times 2 is 6, and 1 minus 6 is negative 5. We have 3x minus 2y when x is equal to negative 3 and y is equal to 4. So our problem says 3 times x. But we know x is equal to minus 3. Minus 2 times y, but we know y is equal to 4. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. And so we get our solution of negative 17.